discussing the risks of women refusing to pick up weights, refusing to strength train. That is not attempting to scare women into strength training. I was scrolling on Instagram the other day and a post from a creator popped up on my feed. I don't follow her. I'm not familiar with her. It was just a suggested post. But essentially, she was saying that we need to stop scaring women into strength training by talking about all the negative effects that can happen as a result of not doing so. She was comparing that to the message of women avoiding strength training because it's going to make us bulky. And although I understand where she's coming from, I strongly disagree because those two messages are not the same. Just because something is hard to hear, just because it feels negative, it doesn't make it not true, and it doesn't mean that it should not be discussed. We really can't compare two things when one is true and the other is not. It is very much true that if women do not strength train, if we do not build muscle, if we don't build strong bones, we increase our risks of developing osteoporosis, breaking bones and then not really being able to recover, making it very difficult for us to age independently. That is a fact. But it is not a fact that if you strength train, that you are going to be manly and bulky, and that it is something that we as women need to avoid because it's going to take away our femininity. That is categorically false. So we cannot compare those two messages. They aren't just opposite sides of the same coin. So I get where she was coming from. She also mentioned that we need to speak more positively of strength training and all the good things that come from it, but I think we do. Speaking for myself and a lot of the other fitness creators that I follow about what makes strength training fun, how amazing it is, we speak just as much on that part. Yes, these things need to be spoken about, but we should absolutely not avoid speaking about the negative effects, the risk factors that women need to be aware of by choosing not to strength train. We're grown-ass women, we can handle both sides.